And here we are ready for the second recipe. This one is fairly straightforward. We just have some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, minced garlic, and then salt and pepper. We just combine those together and then throw it into the oven for about, I think 10 minutes is what the recipe calls for. I have the oven already preheated to 425, so that's ready to go. Let's see. This recipe's kind of weird. It asks for like half teaspoons of the seasonings, but I'm just gonna like put them in until I think it's enough, so it's not really a big deal. Because just like the crock pot meals, most of them are very skimpy on the seasoning, so we're gonna load up the garlic. That's what everybody likes, right? Yeah. Anyway, first things first, we need to trim these down. Asparagus stalks. So, I'm not really sure how far we're supposed to trim these down, so I'm just gonna guess and hope for the best. It's game time. I don't even know. Maybe that was too much. Who knows? But I think they're now ready. All we do is throw them in the pan. I was hoping to make them long enough so that they'd fit perfectly in here. Hey, it worked. For the most part. Okay, so next up we need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, aka 2 or more teaspoons, because I'm not going to skimp out on that as I make a mess. Okay. There's that. The thing about these is that it says 1 tablespoon of each. So as long as you keep this for the most part, even ratio, you should be good. I'm gonna put a little more because I wanna make sure they're all covered enough and they'll cook evenly. Is that enough? Who knows? We'll find out. And then just like some of the other vegetables, we'll put in our salt and pepper. And then we just need to mix this up a little bit. Well, I guess I'll do it the old-fashioned way again. Now we are ready to put them in. And this is a glass pan, so I'm going to put it in for a little bit longer just to be safe. I'll see you in a bit. And there you have it. Here is our final result. Some brownish green sticks. Well, they smell really good, so I'm gonna try some of these, see how they are. Thanks for watching. Oh.